Hey there, gorgeous, and a very happy Friday to you. I hope that you've had a great week. It's such a joy to see you. I want to take a minute and ask you, what are you thankful for? Leave it in the comments below. I am thankful for my husband, my amazing husband, my helpmate, my partner. I'm thankful for my amazing, wonderful children. I'm thankful for my health, for everything I've been through in the past 2 weeks. I am so thankful for my health. Thankful for Jesus Christ. I'm thankful for the roof over my head. I'm thankful for the food in my fridge. I'm thankful for all of you who have supported me for so long. I just wanted to start the video like that, like refocusing, because sometimes you get down to the place where you're so low. This happened to me very recently, and you just lose sight of those things, you know? So I just wanted to bring us back to that place. And this is just a, this is a video based on my life, okay? I can't tell you how many times I've had to rush and do my makeup within 10 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, a full face. Yes, it can be done. So we're gonna set a timer today and we're just gonna do it. I did something different with my hair last night and I am loving it. I plopped it overnight. I washed it at night. I never do that. I washed it at night and then I put it up in a new hair plop towel that I've been trying. And then I diffused it in the morning and oh my gosh, yeah, I may have to do a video on this because it literally just changed everything. All right, I'm going to zoom you in and there's no editing today, by the way. We're gonna leave this as a as raw as possible. Now I will warn you that when I get into it, sometimes I forget to talk, so I may have to add some music to it. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but anyway, you know, it's so funny. I gotta tell you something funny too. My son loves timers. Jet, I don't know what it is. He loves to go on my phone and set timers for everything. I mean, all of a sudden I'll be sitting there and this random alarm goes off. Jet, what? I mentioned this because I go to set this timer for this video and he's got his timer running for when I go to pick him up from school. So I have 3 hours. That boy has such a brilliant mind. He does things that I don't understand, but I learned so much through him. All right, so at the end we'll have to reset Jet's timer, but for now I am going to set a 10-minute timer. There you go. Now, by the way, I did apply a primer and skincare and all that beforehand. So yeah, here we go. All right, so I can use brushes today. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blending shade. Now, I probably will not talk about every single product as I'm doing them, but what I will do is have everything listed for you below that I am using. I mean, I can go quick on my eyes. My eyes usually take the most time out of my routine, and so that's where I will spend the most time. And there have been times also when I'm trying to do things really, really fast and just get going out the door because my husband wants to go somewhere and do something or whatever. And you know, you just want to feel a you want to feel a little pulled together. And so what I sometimes will do is focus only on my eyes and then either bring my face makeup with me in the car and do it there because it's easier to do your face makeup in the car than it is your eyes. Have you ever tried that? Oh my gosh, it comes to mascara and eyeliner, you just cannot do it. So that's the way that I will typically do it. And it works really well. But usually too, when I'm in a rush like this, I would do one very simple color all over the lid. And that really does help to speed up the process. Because nobody knows, you know, nobody knows that you didn't have any time to get ready, but you still look pulled together. It's like what I call my eyeshadow combination for the moms with kids. Because yeah, it is. All right, I'm going to apply an eyeliner real quickly here also, but I'm using eyeshadow to do it, so. I spend more time on my eyes because I feel like that's the first thing people see. I mean, that's the first thing I notice in someone when I meet them is their eyes. And so that's why I spend more time there. because your eyes say a lot about you, don't they? I mean, if you ever notice, like when somebody's wearing sunglasses or their eyes are covered up, it's really hard to get emotions and things like that. The eyes just say so much about a person. It's amazing. I need to get more of this brow pen. I've started going more towards brow pens over any other medium. And I think it's because I just like how easy they are. They can be really quick. And to me, they're the most flattering. Like they look the most natural, don't they? Like it just looks very effortless. Let's see how I'm doing here. I got 6 minutes to go. I can do this. Yes, 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 I can do this. The other thing that I've done in the past too is I will put the full face on and then put my lashes on in the car. Now that is interesting. That can be very challenging, especially if you're going over a lot of bumps. Oh man, yeah buddy. This is the Blvd mascara. I know some people are probably thinking, you do lashes in a 10-minute look? You better believe it, sister. Absolutely. I do lashes whenever I can. Glue, where's my glue? Okay, there it is. I had everything laid out here, but then of course it's like scattered now. All right, I'm gonna take the glue, put it on my lash here. And what I like to do is get the glue on the lashes, and then while I'm waiting on them to get tacky, I'll go ahead and start on the next part. So I got the glue on there. So what I'm going to do next is get my foundation going. So yeah, lashes are still sitting there. And I will blend that in real quick. You gotta multitask, you know? I'm telling you what, man, I haven't multitasked as much as I do now until I became a mom. I have learned to do 900 things at one time. Yes, I have. Don't ask me how I do it. I still don't know. And the interruptions. My goodness, nobody prepared me for how many times you will be interrupted as a mom. Like, it's crazy to me. And then you get interrupted and you forget what you were doing, you know? Ah, but you gotta love it. You gotta love it. They're only this small one time. I keep reminding myself of that, and so many people keep telling me that. Like, enjoy this, because they get big so fast, and it's true. Like, I look at Ace, and he is 3, and he's almost out of diapers. It's like, oh my gosh, when did all of this happen? And he's the baby, you know, there's no more babies after him. He's it. So I'm really trying to hang on to every little baby thing that he still does. And I don't care, you know, I don't care what people think, because at the end of the day, I'm not gonna have that ever again, you know? So I'm really just trying to enjoy every little thing. All right, lashes are on. Here we go. Okay, and how much more time we have here? Let's see, 3 minutes. Woohoo! We are doing good. Look at us go. I got my concealer. I'm using the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer. Blend it, blend it, blend it, girl. Blend it. Gosh, I feel like I need to get 2 fingers going. Oh my gosh, I didn't get my powder out. Okay, while I'm tapping this in, let's see what powder I want to use here. I don't know, what am I gonna use? Ooh, okay, Elf. Let's use e.l.f.'s Halo Glow Powder. All right, I'm gonna apply the Revlon Skin Awaken Concealer as my contour today. Woo, yes. And I had a blush. Okay, I found it. It's just sitting right there in front of me, staring at me like, hello, I'm right here. Blend, 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 blend. Yes, I do move at this pace too when I'm doing my makeup. Like, when I got to go, I got to go. And I go. I go, go. All right, got a little bit too much there, so I'm gonna blend it with the sponge. And the blush is from Profusion. Oh yeah, and then I come back after I've done my makeup and everything is everywhere because I just throw things when I do my makeup. It's like, yeah. No worries. As long as I got it on, that's what counts, right? Okay. Powder, powder, powder. How much time do we have now? Come on, phone, light up here. 1 minute? I got 1 minute. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I got 1 minute. I got it. I got it, right? Yes. We got this. Okay. And then for lips, nothing fancy here. It's just the NYX Butter Gloss because it is quick, easy, and it's got a little bit of color in it. And I do have some time left. So I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And I did not curl my lashes, so let's do that real quick. And the lashes are White Lie from my lash line, by the way, if you're interested in them. Done! We did it, we did it, we did it. And that is the 10-minute face. That is usually what I will do when I am in a rush. I got to go. It's done. So easy, so simple, and everything was under $10. You can't beat it. Now, if you're curious about what I used on my eyes, I used the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. This is such a great shade, by the way, for an all over the lid color. This one right here at the top, that's the one that I used. It's a matte, it blends so quickly, so easily, and it just creates a nice amount of color on the lids. Again, if you're interested in anything that I used here today for this look, I know I couldn't really share each product. I will have everything listed for you below. I have some more content to create for social media. I've started ramping up Inky Minky again, so if you want to follow me there, I'm going to be doing a lot of reels, tips, tricks about lashes and all kinds of good stuff over there. So yeah, that social media handle is at Inky Minky Lashes. And I got to go down to the Y today and get a membership. I'm going to start getting back in shape. I have let myself go. I know it. I know it. I've gotten comments. I don't need comments, okay? I know. I don't fit in my clothes anymore. I need to lose some weight. I need to get back in shape to where I was. It's just with 3 small children, 3 businesses, it's so hard to take care of myself. And so I'm making a conscious effort to get back to that place because my husband made a very good point the other day. He says, if you're not putting the oxygen mask on yourself first, how can you help others? He used to be an airline pilot, so it's a great analogy though, isn't it? So I realize I have to take care of myself. I have to do better for me so that I can be there for my kids because my kids are at the point they want to play, they want to do all of these, you know, things that require a lot of physical exertion. And I'm so tired. And I know it's because I'm not eating right. And I know it's because I'm not exercising. And I know that when I did those things, I had a lot more energy. So I might make some videos on it. Let me know if it's something you'd be interested in. And maybe I'll just share that journey with you. When I put my mind to something, I will absolutely do it. So I'm looking forward to it. I just want to feel better. I want to fit in my clothes again. I want to feel better about myself. I want to get back to that place. So that's what the game plan is. And I have a friend down the street who has decided to become my accountability partner. So we're going to do this together, because I don't know about you, but I do better when other people are doing it with me. We're social creatures, you know. I hope that you have a beautiful weekend ahead. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to hang out with me. And I hope that you found this enjoyable. Try it yourself. If you've not applied your makeup in 10 minutes, yeah, buddy, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to do, actually. I speak love, peace, and joy into you and into your home, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.